There's many different types of valve spring compressors out there on the market. Here you have a manual with a pneumatic, makes it pretty easy. On this one here, you'll note that there's this little protector on here. This is a very, very important little piece. This is another all German auto product. This is a cylinder head saver. What we have here is a traditional lifter follower head, and we're doing the valve removal on it. Here, obviously, the head is out of the car. I like these pneumatic ones because they're super fast. And if you notice here, coming in, what this is this is a little protector. And this is really, really important tool right here, because this goes on top of this metal head. And if this metal head nicks the sealing surface on the cylinder head, which is easy to do if you use a pneumatic one. If you're using a manual one, it's a little bit more controlled. It's not as radical. This is another little all German auto product. It's super inexpensive. In my book, it's a must-have. I know there's a lot of ways differently to do it. You know, you put tape around it to protect it. I've seen that done a lot. I've done it myself, but it always ends up going through and exposing the sharp metal edge right here in the compressor, which really, really easily can nick the head surface. On these newer heads where it's almost impossible to surface them, there's no extra material left. And this is not just for German cars. This is for every brand of car out there. So just a tiny little inexpensive thing that can really make your job a lot easier. A cylinder head saver. It's made out of Delron, so it cannot scratch or ruin the cylinder head in any way. On the bottom, it has a little rubber pad, so it doesn't slide, or if that part of it should make part to the head, it's not going to scratch anything. And it just simply clips right onto the head of the valve compressor with this little clip. Stays on. Just for a couple of bucks. It's cheap insurance and super nice product. And you can find this on our webpage. It's called a cylinder head saver.